Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We'll start with Hedera at number 31, followed by Filecoin, Lido DAO, Internet Computer, Cronos, Mantle, Maker, Aptos, Quant, and then we'll end it with VeChain at number 40. Let's get straight into it. HBAR against BTC. Anything for HBAR? Nope. How low are we going to go? We're not too sure. We were saying that very likely we'll take out these lows, and we've already taken it out. Could we still take out these lows? Sure. So that's why the question we always ask when we are in a downtrend is this the bottom? We're not too sure. But HBAR BTC has a nice potential, big gigantic squeeze that could be breaking out in 2024, 2025, potentially. But again, we're not entirely sure. So we're going to have to wait and see how things go for HBAR BTC. HBAR against USD. Here we are. We don't like what we see. This looks like a head and shoulders to me. We have a target over here at 1.73 cents to be precise. We're at 4 cents right now, so if you were to head towards 1 cent, this will be another 65%, so it still isn't really looking that good for HBAR. Filecoin against BTC. Here we are for Filecoin. Still in a downwards trend. Ever since 2021, it's just down. Any clear signs of a life for Filecoin? No. Could we be reversing soon? Sure. But do we see any signs of life? No, not yet. We're still under the skinny pink line here. We actually saw a strong rally, right? We went above the skinny pink line, but we didn't stay above it, right? We just got slapped all the way back down. So what's the story, morning glory? Filecoin against USD. Here we are for Filecoin. This looks to me like mountains. Like Filecoin's about to head lower. We were hoping for Filecoin to do something like this, right? A, B, C, D, E, and we break higher. This would be awesome, but we don't really see it. So yeah, there's a risk that we could still hit lower for Filecoin. Lido DAO, LDO against BTC. Here we are for LDO. Okay, we've already crossed the support line. Any clear signs of a bullish reversal? Nope. Does this look like a head? Yes, it's a head and shoulders, boys and girls. We've already crossed the neckline, so 3790 is our target. We're at 5007, so Lido DAO against BTC should be dropping lower. Against USD, we don't really have much targets for it. We were anticipating these two lows to be taken out. It looks like steps to us, so step by step, right? We're under the skinny pink line though, so we're already in a bearish trend and in a bearish bias for LDO. Internet Computer, ICP against BTC. Here we are for ICP. We've already hit target number 1. We still have another target over here at 1030. It feels to me like we are... Yeah, can you see this? It's a rising channel. Rising channels usually break lower. So I think more likely than not, so we should be hitting our 1000 target soon. We'll probably overachieve our targets and go past 1000. So yeah, more downside for ICP. Doesn't look that good yet. ICP against USD, we've hit all targets. Again, what's the story, morning glory? Are we going to be reversing from here? Would ICP, BTC pull ICP, USD down together as well? I'm not too sure. All we know is we've already hit all targets. And there's already a daily hammer over here. So which means that this could already be the bottom for ICP. What's the bottom? 2.827. So $3, anything under $3, I think should be an awesome price for ICP. We might get the very first sign of a bullish reversal for ICP USD. But we would love to see it on both pairs, USD and BTC. We just don't see it on both pairs yet. ICP has potential, but we still need more time, right? We need further time to do its thing. So yeah, again, we have to give the whales of ICP more time, right? They'll show us the sign even when they want to push the price higher. Cronos against BTC. We look at it on KuCoin. So for Cronos, yeah, I think we're heading lower. Any clear signs of a reversal yet? No. So you see, step by step, which is what CRO is doing. Could we still hit low? Of course. Any clear signs of a reversal? No. Right. But we like what we see though. There's a very high quality type of a ABCDE for Cronos. Absolutely possible, but we don't see it yet, right? We're still unsure of, when this reversal is gonna come. We still need to see some signs of life first, right? There's still no signs of life. There's also high risk that we could actually take out these lows. Once we take out these lows, that's it. The huge potential for CRO BTC is gone. It's gone down the drain. We're still under the skinny pink line. We could be at the very end of the downtrend, but we do not know whether this low is going to hold. So again, we're gonna have to wait for time to do its thing, for the wheels to do its thing, right? But we like CRO USD as well, right? There's a very nice touch here, once, twice, 3 times. You know, it's just a matter of time, in my opinion, before CRO breaks higher. Once it breaks the resistance, I don't know, we're gonna get maybe a inverse head and shoulders over here. Maybe we will probably see some sort of a bullish reversal chart pattern, and then yeah, maybe we could take a trade for that, right? So the question we always ask is this the bottom? Could we still head a little bit lower first before reversing? Of course. Is there any bullish divergences yet? Nope. So you see, we could get a lower low on the price, but a higher low on the MACD and a higher low on the RSI. Potentially, right? So again, we're not entirely sure. If we break the resistance, oh, that'd be awesome. We wait for the retrace. Hopefully we get something of a high quality, right? High quality type of a bullish reversal chart pattern. But yeah, again, there's nothing much at this point of time. Mantle. Let's look at it on DEX tools. So for Mantle, we've already crossed. Very good example for what we were talking about. Very nice resistance, right? Once, twice, 3 times, 4 touches, and now we're already out. Retrace, back up. Woohoo! So the question we ask is, could this be the bottom? Could this be the bottom? Could we still head lower, of course? Any guarantees? No. No guarantees. Absolutely none. Could we still head a little bit lower, and after that we start zipping back up? Of course. For sure. So, yeah, I think Mantle could be on its way back up, but we're not entirely sure. We don't see any clear bullish reversals yet, so I'd still preach caution for Mantle at this point of time. Maker, okay, Maker has been the leader so far. It's the first mover, but Maker is awesome. You know why? Because Maker is about to complete a beautiful ABCD, and Maker could be about to blast off. Big moves could be coming on for Maker, right? Rune could have something up his sleeve. Do you see this? What a beauty! What a freaking beauty! So we're anticipating Maker to do very well against Bitcoin. Very well. But again, we still need to wait for a consolidation. We'll probably get a wave E eventually, right? If this is an A, B, C, D, we'll probably get an E, and then pump, we'll break out. Maker against USD, yeah, it's reflected on the USD pair. It's really blasting off, right? We had a very nice squeeze over here. We broke out, retest, out, and then consolidated, pump, continuing higher. This whole wave is a 1, right? You can even count the subwaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole thing is a 1. We came down for a 2, and now we're in the midst of a wave 3. And wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. Anyway, we have a target over here at 1,008. I suspect we're going to be overachieving our targets at 1,008. Wave 2, if this is wave 2, right, is very brief, which means that if and when we get a wave 4, it is going to be longer. It's going to be longer. The law of average states, more likely than not, it's going to be longer. So this wave 4 that comes for Maker could be reflected on the BTC pair as well. But again, we're not entirely sure though. All we know is that there's a target for 1,008, and we're expecting 1,008 to be hit eventually. Right now, in a very small correction, I still expect 1,008 to be hit eventually. So there you go. That is our take for Maker. Aptos against BTC. For Aptos, yeah, it's all down. Hey, the skinny pink line just started appearing. So, yeah, we're still in a bearish trend. We're about to take out these lows though. Okay, no clear targets for Aptos. It's untradeable for us, not at this point of time. We still have a target, yeah, against USD, yes, against BTC we don't. And the target we have is 440. So we'll probably go past 440 though, to this noisy area over here. So sub $4, right? Again, we're not entirely sure. Of course, you know, the next second, next hour, next day, we could just start zipping up. But we're under the skinny pink line and remain with a bearish bias. But to be honest, the faster it is we hit targets, the faster it is we, you know, hit wherever it is we're supposed to hit. The faster it is we recover for Aptos. So yeah, but again, in terms of tradability, it's just not really there yet. So yeah, I preach caution for Aptos. Quant is also very bearish. Very bearish, right? Again, mountains, zip down. Mountains, zip down. Mountains again, we're zipping down again. We're under the skinny pink line again. I mean, the moment it crosses the skinny pink line, that's it, out. So yeah, we're hitting this noisy area. So we're saying that very likely we'll hit a bounce over here. There should be a bounce coming on for Quant because we're hitting the area now, right? The tip of the area. So watch out for a bounce for Quant BTC. If we bounce on Quant BTC, very likely we're going to see it reflected on Quant USD. If not, yeah, we'll probably hit towards 67. I don't think we're going to stop at 67. I suspect we're going to go past 67. I don't think this is the bottom. So yeah, but I kind of like Quant still. I think Quant is also in a very gigantic ABCD, right? Wave C could be very elongated, right? Something like that. We could get something like that. Still a squeeze nevertheless, right? Something like this for Quant. But yeah, at this point of time, I still think there's more downside. $67 is still the target for Quant. VeChain, yes sir. What's up, Sonny? VeChain against BTC. Yeah, doesn't look good. We were saying that we'll probably take out these two lows, but in terms of yeah, no clear targets against the BTC pair. VeChain against USD. Again, nothing is clear for us. We were saying, well, are we going to take out these two lows? Any clear signs of a reversal? No, we're still under the skinny pink line though, so we're anticipating the possibility of yeah, potentially more downside, right? If VeChain starts reversing, then great. We might get something like this, right? Inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Pooh! We reverse back up. But again, the question we always ask is this the bottom? Where is this? 1.3 cents. Is this the bottom? We're not too sure. So again, we're gonna have to take things one step at a time for VeChain. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!